Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to help support this channel, it won't cost you anything. All you got to do is use the links in the description if you want to get some of these for yourself. Hey, what's going on? Rich back with another awesome video for you. I want to show you how to fix a gutter from falling off. If you have nails that are doing that or that, that's not good. That means they're going to fall off the house, and the gutter is definitely going to be loose. The reason this happens is very simply the gutters are held up by nails. That's what they used years ago, and what happens is the wood expands and contracts with the hot and the cold and the rain, the moisture and everything, and the wood just loosens up over time, and then nail just comes right out of it. So basically, I have a really cheap hammer right here, just lightweight. I got another flaming hammer. It doesn't work very well for this, so had this laying around. You want to get up on a ladder, obviously, as I am right now. So this nail is really loose. So what you want to do is you want to just tap the gutter a little bit like this, away from the house. And what you want to do is take the back of the hammer, the claw, and you just want to pry the nail out like this. It should come right out. It shouldn't be a problem. Just grab it and slide it out. And you're going to have a ferrule in there, which is this piece right here, this aluminum piece. So what you want to do is you want to leave the ferrule where it is. You don't want to take the ferrule out. You want to leave it there. Hopefully you're going to have aluminum ones that are in there. If not, these come with them when you get the screws. I just took them out of the box. So what you want to do is just gently take the nail out. Try to keep the ferrule where it is. Hold the ferrule in place. Slide the nail out. And take our new screw, which is here, and slide it back into the hole. And make sure you get it inside the ferrule. So as you can see, it's inside the ferrule. You can screw it right back into the existing hole. You're going to need a screw gun. You're going to need a cordless screw gun. And what you could do is screw it back into the original hole. And if that doesn't work, if it's too loose and it's not going to grab, what you could do is take it like this and just move it to the side. Just angle it like this. Angle it to the side so that it's away from the hole, so that it's not near the existing hole. And what you do is just hold it like so. You just tap it with the hammer to get it started, basically to be able to go through the gutter right there, and then just screw it right through with the cordless drill. Once you get the new hole started on an angle, that'll basically go into a fresh piece of wood, and it'll grab and it'll bite and it won't come out. And just repeat the process all the way down. There's all kinds of different brands that you can get. So basically you just want to get the ones like this. They do come with a bit. This is it's called a square drive bit. It did come with these. Usually they come with them. So I hope this video helped you out. Once you get this done, once you get these screwed up, you shouldn't have any more problems with your gutter. It shouldn't come down or anything like that. Everything should be good. I'm going to leave links in the description in case you wanted to get some of these for yourself. And if you can, make sure to click that like button, subscribe to my channel for more awesome content. Let me know if you got any questions or comments in the section down below. Thanks again for watching. Take care.